Spanish country, being the opportunity for different researchers in Spain to have access to this event easily, not avoiding this to be centralized in one region. We are expecting to continue next years. And I want, as I have to give a speech because we are co-organizers, I want to give a speech, but not based only on the Spanish Supercomputing Network, which is out of your main normally interest, because we are just, in most cases, providing access to services, okay, using the technology that you are developing, but some years after. I want to give this home information that you are aware what's possible to do and what we are doing for making it possible. So, in first place, I wanted to speak about the Spanish Supercomputing Network. So, this is a Spanish distributed virtual infrastructure joining different facilities in Spain with the objective to give access to the Spanish users on science and industry for the research. Of course, at the bottom you have the participants, so this is including the BSc in Barcelona, Técnica de Madrid, Astrofísica de Canarias, Universidad de Cantabria, Universidad de Málaga, Universidad de Valencia, and the government of the Canary Islands. This is covering what we call in terminology the Tier 2 and Tier 1 services. So, what is this? The low-level access to the supercomputing facilities just for gaining access then later to higher capacities. Okay? So, what we've been doing till now is providing access to about 2,000 projects of all Spanish scientists in different domains. And you can see distributed in different domains, including aerospace, biomedicine, physics engineering, and chemistry. All continually distributed. And you see that continuously, the people from chemistry is continuously growing. Because once they are adapting to the new technologies, they can easily exploit the facilities we are providing to them. This is covering the Tier 1, Tier 2 services. And now I want to explain some words about PRACE, which is covering the Tier 0 for Europe. So the objective of PRACE is to enable world-class science. So Spanish is to the Spanish, this is for world-class, providing HPC service on leading-edge capability systems. We are providing access through a single entity, and we are giving access to industry and researchers. Industry for open R&D is limited to open R&D. Till now, with the funding of more than 500 million euros for 5 years periods, we have been able to award more than 252 projects compared to the 2000s of the Spanish network, with more than 6.8 billion core hours. Core hours because normally the systems we are providing, and you will see next slide, are standard processors, not including GPUs or any other accelerators. With a total peak performance of 15 petaflops on 6 world-class systems. So, if you're doing the maths, this 6.8 billion for 252 projects is giving a huge capacity on the different computers we are having access. So, the facilities that we are providing access to PRACE are MareNostrum, located here close by in a chapel, with 1 petaflop system, 48,000 cores, UQueen, BlueGene Q systems, located in Jülich with more than 5 petaflops peak performance, QD with a Bull systems based on Sandy Bridge with 90,000 cores, Hermit, Cray system, located in HLS, and SuperMUC, and IBM iDataplex, located in Garching, in LRZ, and finally Fermi, located in Italy, in Ceneca, another BlueGene system with 2 petaflops capacity. You can see here the distribution of the different. I have to stand here. If I'm moving back, then the voice is going on. The distribution of capacities on the different domains. This is not. We are not looking for this distribution. This is based on the demands we are getting, and the selection is based on the science and quality of science, on excellent science. So there is a single committee all over Europe selecting the best scientists, submitting proposals. So there is an oversubscription, so 4-to-1, okay, in number of projects. In capacity is even more. Here, I'm not going to get in details what is this science doing, 1-year projects. For some of them are getting 144 million core hours. I don't know what 144 million core hours. I don't know what €1 million is. Okay, I know what a coffee costs. It's about the euro. So then I was translating this in number of cores that I'm getting for a full year. So 144 million core hours stands that this user, this project, was having dedicated system of 16 cores for him in the full year. So this is half of the current MareNostrum, which is 1 petaflop. And that was based on a PRACE system located in HLRS. So it's huge capacity for a single application. And that was enabled science to move forward. So they've got an advantage of 3 years against other competitors in the world. Okay? This is what 144 million core hours stands for. System dedicated to a single project in this capacity. Then, to get closer to what HPC Advisory Council is doing, working with enterprises, developing new technologies, I think that BSC is the closest to this part. So, BSC is having 2 main objectives. One is doing research and development on different domains, including compute, life, earth and engineering sciences. And the second one is giving services. This is the part I'm responsible for. This is the part I'm doing for the Spanish Supercomputing Network. But of course, this is not the part that's interesting to you. So the part that I feel that is interesting for you is the development we are doing in computer, in life and earth and engineering. All of them, although they are from domains that are from science, they are affecting the development of the new technologies. And that's the reason I think at BSA we are so good and we are moving so forward. So we are a public consortium on the Spanish, Catalan and the Technical University of Catalonia. If you were here yesterday, I don't know if you have heard about the big demonstration about the Catalan government. Okay, so I hope you didn't have any effect on your normal life, on your dinner and your movements. But this is the Center for Spain that is co-shared by the Spanish and the Catalan government. We are more than 300 people, so people is getting surprised when they are seeing how many projects we are running in different domains. The reason is that we are more than 300. We've been created in 2005, but till then we've been growing continuously. Okay, so this is giving a significant capacity to us for participating in projects. So within the mission, we are having these different fields: computer science, earth science, life science, and applications and engineering. And the most important, and the one which is more catered in your environment, is the computer science, but with the support of the other ones, which are giving the feedback of the needs for the development of the new technologies. So for computer science, we have more than 100 people working in the way machines are built, programmed and used in the future, working in programming models, performance tools, big data, computer architectures, and energy efficiency. So we have some examples in the next slides of the different topics we can do here at BSA. Of course, the new technology installed early this year, 1.1 petaflops installed in the chapel, including some Xeon Phi processors for a single rack. This single rack with Xeon Phi is 100 teraflops, so the same capacity of the former system we had in the past for a single rack. Okay, of course, it's power owned. Of course, it's available to users. Of course, it's not in production because applications are not there. So we are working, and that's the reason we were installing just a small partition of the system on this technology to allow this development. We are having significant capacity on disk and storage to allow all the data to be kept in storage. So this is a chart that is giving a full description of what BSC is doing in different topics. So we are BSC, the national and European HPC infrastructure for Spain. So we are the Spanish representative in PRACE. We are working in these 4 sectors: computer, life, earth, and computer applications. But we have a significant and solid partnership with industry. I have a slide on that showing you which are the companies we are working with in the different developments. We participate in more than 79 European projects, and 14 of them are acting as coordinators. Since the very beginning, and based on our relation with the university, we are very interested in education and training in different topics. So we are forming part of within the Spanish network, within the PRACE, PRACE, and with the cooperation of different vendors, we are organizing continuously training programs here in Barcelona. And we are the logical bridge to the Latin America, and we are leading one of the most important projects for the coordination of the infrastructure, which is the RISC, but we also participate in different projects on different domains with South America. Those are the strategic projects for DSC, and those are covering different domains. So we've been distinguished a couple of years ago with the award of Severo Ochoa. This is a recognition for some of the 13 at the end, but only 8 at the beginning, biggest institutions in Europe in Spain for research. And within this program, we are developing some specific technologies on the path to exascale, including management, training, and mobility and communication of the people. We are running also the Mont Blanc project, so Alex is sitting in the back. He was giving a presentation last year, so he can give you an update and the coffee breaks at any time. So it's in very good progress, very good development. We have installed here technologies within PRACE that are prototypes that enable to test all the developments that will start to show results in short. There is Alia Red. We've been awarded last year with the most important scientific video project on the simulation of the heart. This afternoon you are having a presentation by Mariano Vázquez on the biomechanics simulation. We are having more than 70 people working on the topic of life sciences, specified with personalized medicine as an important topic. And we are members of the human brain, providing services to them through the machines, but also working with them in the development of the new programming models and the new techniques to get access to the new machines that the human brain needs and are willing to develop for the future. And last but not least slide is our cooperation with industry. You can see that we are having several important cooperations with different companies. Some of them are IT, some of them are not. So we have been in cooperation with IBM, with Microsoft and Intel and NVIDIA already for all of them for long, working in different topics, making a significant contribution to industry from Barcelona. And then from the user point of view, that's shifting this knowledge on technology and the programming models to the different companies like Iberdrola and Repsol, which is the oil company on Spain. So I hope this